¿Cómo están? Hoy vamos a hablar sobre los verbos irregulares en la forma yo. These are verbs that are irregular in the yo form. Certain verbs are irregular in the yo form, but are regular for the rest of their conjugations. Many of these verbs have go in the yo form. We call these go-yo verbs. You've already learned a few in previous lessons. The verbs tener and venir, tengo and vengo. Now we're going to learn others. The verb hacer means to do or to make. The conjugations are hago, haces, hace, hacemos, hacéis, hacen. Notice that just the yo form is irregular. The rest of the verb follows the rules of dropping the er and adding the ending that goes with the subject. The next verb is salir, which is to leave or to go out. Now, going out can have a couple of different meanings. It can mean going out, just going out, like leaving your house. It can be going out with friends. It can be going out with somebody romantically, as in dating them. Here are the conjugations. Salgo, sales, sale, salimos, salís, salen. Again, note that only the yo form, salgo, is irregular. Poner, to put or to place. Pongo, pones, pone, ponemos, ponéis, ponen. Traer, to bring. Traigo, traes, trae, traemos, traéis, traen. That one you may want to rewind and practice the pronunciation. It's a little more difficult because of the tra sound, plus the ae, traes. A little difficult. The verb ver is to see. This verb does not have a go in the yo form. However, it is irregular in the yo form because it does not drop the er. Rather, it just drops the r and adds an o. Veo, ves, ve, vemos, veis, ven. Oír is one of the stranger ones. It is one of the go-yo verbs that has irregularities all the way through, and I will point them out as you learn it. Here are the conjugations first. Oigo, oyes, oye, oímos, oís, oyen. Now this verb has all sorts of stuff going on in it. First of all, you have oigo, which has the go in the yo form. Then you have oyes, oye, and oyen, which have y's instead of i's in the conjugation. Then you have oímos and oís, which have accents on the i's, just like the infinitive oír has an accent on the I as well. So this verb has all sorts of weirdness going on that you need to keep in mind, and of course you're going to practice. Here are some examples using these verbs. ¿Qué haces? Hago la tarea. What are you doing? I'm doing the homework. Salgo con mis amigos los fines de semana. I go out with my friends on the weekends. Paulina pone su mochila en la mesa. Paulina puts her backpack on the table. Los estudiantes traen sus libros a clase. The students bring their books to class. Vemos mucha televisión los fines de semana. We see or we watch a lot of TV on the weekends. Now, the verb ver means to see, like to see your friends, to see something happening. But when you use it with televisión and películas or programas, it is interchangeable with the verb mirar. Technically, mirar means to watch, and ver means to see. Okay, so when you say miro una película, you're saying I watch a movie. Veo una película literally means I see a movie, but they're interchangeable as far as your usage. Los estudiantes no oyen cuando el profesor habla. I personally don't think this is true. The students don't hear when the teacher speaks. Maybe they listen and they don't hear. That I might believe. Who knows? Anyway, that's it for verbs with irregular yo conjugations, and of course the verb oír, which is all kinds of weird. Now we go on to the practice. Hasta luego, amigos. Que lo pasen bien.